Hello guys, how are you? My name is Ioannis Elias from Kifaiso Trading and Investment Advisor. Now we will see the chart of the SAND metaverse coin, the SAND with Tether US. As we can see, the SAND here found the bottom at $1.40. The 52 weeks low after the sell-off was 96 cents, and as we can see on our chart, here the SAND is formating a double top, 1, 2, and the price target is again here to $1.05. Here, as I have mentioned, here and here is the local tops. Here is a break line, support line, and the short term is the SAND must visit again $1.05 to confirm the lows, and then or to continue uptrend, or unless confirm it to confirm the another support here at 96 cents. Therefore, I am short. I'm bearish for short term. Thank you for watching us. Goodbye.